So this is the reality of what happens after it storms outside. It's very sad to see all the pill bugs just huddled up together trying to survive. And it's funny because everyone says that they don't feel anything, that they don't have any instincts or any intelligence, but I wonder what those same people would say to this. These poor animals trying to survive this flood here. This is so very sad to see. Oh my gosh, and some of them are falling down. Oh my god. Oh god. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And baby almost died. This is so sad to see. This is just so sad to see because a lot of people, they don't think insects struggle. They don't think they feel anything. Like, are you joking? Look at this. Look at these floods. Look at them trying to protect each other and stay warm here. They don't even have any food in here. It's just some grapes. They prefer dead plants, but they will eat fruits and vegetables. They're not really picky. They wouldn't be picky during this time, I'm pretty sure. So just support them in any way you can. This is sad to see. These ones have already drowned. As you can see, they're not moving at all. Very flooded out here. This is absolutely insane. Look at that. Look at that. That one's still alive. It needs help. Okay. Come on, buddy. I got you. Come on, get up there. Come on. There we go, come on. No. There we go, buddy. We need you up there. We don't need you down there. We need you up there. Wow. This is just insane. Oh, that's why they're all right here. This is an old banana peel that I put there, and it's still there. That guy just fell over.